Two cutting-edge AI tools, each redefining productivity. But which one really delivers? On the left, PlayHT, empowering creators with lifelike AI voices. And on the right, Perplexity AI, the conversational answer engine for deep research. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you in 2025.
All right, here's the game plan. We're going to look at core functionality, target audience, audio and voice quality, search and data, pricing, and finally, platform integration. So whether you're into audio production or deep research, these categories should help you pick the right tool.
Okay, first up, core functionality. PlayHT, its superpower is generating realistic AI voices. Seriously, we're talking about 600 plus voices across 142 languages, with cool integrations for podcasts and even WordPress. You can even bring your whole team in to collaborate. But here's the thing. It's not a conversational assistant, meaning if you want up-to-the-minute facts or help outside of voice stuff, not happening. Now, Perplexity AI. This is basically your go-to for research and smart search. It's like chatting with someone who pulls answers from the best AI models. GPT-4o, Claude, Gemini, you name it. The best part? You always get citations. So you know the info is legit. Downside though, it's not going to make fancy voices for your video project. Overall, Perplexity definitely wins here if you care about smart answers and conversational help. Next round, target audience. PlayHT is laser focused on creators. Think podcasters, educators, marketers. Want to spice up your YouTube videos or e-learning courses with a human-sounding voice? This one's for you. But honestly, if you're hoping for help researching or answering tough questions, it's not really built for that. Perplexity AI, on the other hand, is a dream tool for researchers, journalists, or even students who constantly need reliable, sourced info. But for exporting great audio to use in your projects, not so much. Still, PlayHT is just a better match for content makers, so it wins this category.
Let's talk audio and voice quality. PlayHT, this is where it truly shines. The voices are super natural. We're talking MOS rating of around 3.8 out of 5, which is nerd talk for pretty dang good. There's a huge voice library, emotion AI, and you can even clone voices. Sure, 11 Labs technically tops the charts for realism, and if you need hardcore security, you might want to look elsewhere. But honestly, PlayHT sounds great for pretty much everything. Perplexity's angle here is mostly the voice-based interface. Yep, you can talk to it and get answers back, but you're not getting custom voice creations or production-grade audio files. Winner? PlayHT without a doubt. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know PlayHT supports voices in over 142 languages? That's wild. And Perplexity can summarize academic research like instantly. Kind of makes you wish you could combine both, right? Now let's check out search and data, and well, this one's kind of a landslide. PlayHT is all about converting text and audio. Searching for web data is not on its resume. If you need up-to-date facts or want to see citations, you're out of luck. But Perplexity, dude, it's built for this. Web search? Check. Academic papers, news, you name it. Want to see every source? It's right there. Plus, deep dive research tools. Downside, it's never going to help you create an audio project. But the clear winner for search and data is Perplexity. All right, money talk. Both actually do well here. PlayHT has flexible pricing, depending on how much voice audio production you need. For big projects, it can be cheaper than others, but if you want those advanced custom voices, you might need to bump up your budget. Perplexity gives you a sweet free tier to start, Pro at $20 per month if you want all the smart features, and Max at $200 per month for the power user crowd. Things like agentic research are only in the higher plans though. All said, both offer good value for their audience, so let's call this a tie. Now, for platform integration. PlayHT's got plugins for WordPress, built-in podcast hosting, and developer APIs. So if you're deep in the audio content world, it's super handy. The focus is mostly voice workflows though. Perplexity? It's every platform. Web, mobile, desktop. You can even hook it to Zapier, and developers get API access. But for hands-on creative production, there aren't any out-of-the-box plugins. Honestly, both cover their ground for their core users. So again, tie. If you're visual like me, you'll totally get this. Imagine a radar chart. Perplexity
really stretches out in core functionality and search/data, while PlayHT is crushing it in audio and voice quality and platform tools for creators. Both are practically even on pricing and general integration.
Honestly, it comes down to what you actually need.
If your life revolves around making videos, podcasts, or courses, and you want top-tier AI voices, PlayHT is the move. But if you're doing heavy research, want trustworthy, cited answers, or need multi-model AI power, Perplexity AI is just unbeatable in that space.
Need smart search or great AI voice? Pick the tool that matches up with your workflow and start creating or researching like a pro.